Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RRD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on this one. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above that breakout point of $3.55. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price falls below $3.55, then that implies that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 355 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? First key level is just simply where the party finally stopped today, and that resides right up there at about $3.78. If the price can push through there, so actually that makes sense why the price got rejected. You look back there, rejected at that area, and once again rejected at that area. So not saying that this location can't be broken, just saying it makes that much more sense now why the price is once again struggling at that area. But that also really illustrates that, yeah, with a break of that, that's essentially the blue sky breakout point. Yeah, as you see here, the price has not been up this high for a very, very, very long time. And finally, and I get it, the chart is super hard to see here, but that's a really good problem to have when you have to go back this far in a chart's history. So next key area would be right up there around $3.95. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Monster volume today, great price movement. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.